kind of here. So one of the other things we noticed is that the center of your, yeah, go ahead and shake that. The center of your seat frame is moving, and this is real common in the post-war U-22s. As a matter of fact, these boats were made for 150-pound men that were 5'5", back before the war, and we have much better nutrition now. And as I'm a shining example of how much more a person can weigh than my counterpart would have weighed. My dad was 120 pounds in 1941. 1940. Well, yeah, when he went into the war in 41. So anyway, so the other U-22s, or the post-war U-22s, have a block of wood down here on the floor between these two. It's about 2-inch thick block of wood. And so I know that works to help strengthen this joint down here, because that's the way the post-war U-22s are built. So we're working on solutions for you. I'd like to put a 2-inch block in there, and I think we can stabilize this a great deal. We're also going to fasten this floor down to the stringers right here, because there is nothing fastening the floor down, because that plywood moves. And then we're going to thicken the plywood down below these as well. But I just wanted to give you an update on our progress. By the way, we've got the cockpit coaming, and we do know how that came about. By the way, we were originally just going to, we weren't going to do anything to the ceiling boards, so we were trying to clean up some scratches that were on the cockpit coaming, and that's why we did the overstain. And we did not do a good job of wiping it off, apparently. Justin noticed that was not a good job. Hadn't been done. So anyhow, but I just wanted to talk with you a little bit about this problem, and we're going to work to correct it while we're doing these other corrections. I thought I'd also show you the final result. You got the spray rails on, yeah? Oh yeah. So, all right. So we're gonna start working on those seat frames in the morning. Oh boy, feels good to sit down. All right, and so this was the one that was all beat up, and and Justin did a beautiful job on this. We had, I hope you've seen the update where, the new spray rails are drilled on 6-inch centers, and not only that, but and I had a used piece of spray rail, which I think was for a gar wood, and it came down to a point right here instead of coming down to like a moccasin toe, kind of a straight point, instead of a point, a wide area that blends in. So anyway, that's all fixed. And then while we were looking around, we said, gee, over on this side, Justin's spotted that this between this screw and this screw, this edge was quite wavy. So we corrected that as well. And then another thing, so anyway, we're fixing those things as we go through it all. So anyway, just wanted to give you an update. Talk to you soon.